A very good evening, everyone. How you all are doing? Doing great. So, did you understand the level number 1 of our NIKHILAM that is being used in addition and subtraction? And we will use the same thing for multiplication also. But for the fundamentals, we have started our addition and subtraction with the help of Vedic tool that is called as NIKHILAM. So this is now level number 2. I hope you must have seen the level number 1. If you are new to this series, kindly go back to the level number 1, that is beginner level, and then came back to this level. Now I have given some homework in the last class. The answers for the same are something like this. The first question, this is the homework that I'm just doing. Answer for the first question. What was the first question? That you have to write 28 in the bar format. So 28 is what? What is the answer? Comment me. Give your answers in the comment box. Okay, and you will cross check. I will cross check them. 38 is what? 28 is what? 30 minus 2. So the answer is 3, 2 bar. Then the next question was 57. So 57 is what? 60 minus 3. So the answer is 6, 3 bar. Then you have 654. So 654 is what? 660 minus 6. So the answer is 666 bar. Getting this? Then the next question was 259 and bar over it. So the answer for this question is, it is what? 250 minus 9. I hope you remember the things that we have discussed. 241. Then you have 108.05 bar. So it is how much? 10800 minus 5. That is 10795. And then what was the last question? 193 and bar over it. So how much is the answer for the last question? So it is what? It is just 0 minus 193. The fundamentals are same. Do not get confused if there is a bar over 3 digits or 2 digits. The fundamental will remain the same. So this is minus 193. So this is our homework. Now let's begin our level number 2. In this class, I'm going to introduce some addition and subtraction techniques with the help of our bar fundamental. Let's take question number 1. For example, for say, you have to do this calculation. 15 minus, or so let's say 15 plus 7 bar. So how much is the answer for this question? 15 plus 7 bar. What will you do? You will say that 15 will remain 15. There is nothing in 15. The only change is 7 bar. So you have to write your 7 bar. So how do you write 7 bar? You will say that the 7 bar is what? 0 minus 7. This is our 7 bar. And I have written them in parentheses, in brackets, so that I am just focusing on 7 bar. So it is what? 15 minus 7, and that will give me 8. Let's take the second question. For example, if you have some 24 minus 10 and the bar is over 0 only. This is a good question. So this is 24 because there is nothing in 24. There is no change in 24. The change is something that we have to see in 10 bar. So how can you write this thing? 1 and the bar is over 0 only. So you can say that this 10 bar, if I have to do 10 work as my homework, I will say that this 10 bar is 10 minus 0. That is 10 itself. Are you getting this? For example, if you have to do 12 bar, 1, 2 and bar. So you will say that it is what? 10 minus 2. That is 8. Isn't it? Now, instead of this 2, I have just written 0. So similarly, instead of this 2, I will write 0. The only thing that is changing here is that I have changing my 2 to 0. For example, if you have 24, 245 bar. So how do you write this thing? 240 minus 5, 235. In the same manner, I have done this 10 bar. So let's get back to the question. This is what? 10 minus 0. So our answer is 24 minus 10, that is 14. I hope this is fundamentally clear. Let's take more questions. Don't worry. Question number 3. Let's say you have to do 244 and the bar is over only last 4 minus 193 and the bar is over the last one. So let's go step by step. Let me do the first number, that is 244 bar. Only this one I'm doing right now. So this is 240 minus 4, isn't it? That is 236. And then the second number is what? 19 and 3 bar. So it is what? 190 minus 3. That is 187. So means our question is what? That I can say my question is, let me draw a line so that you will get to know that where we are focusing. Now, our question was this much. So this question is now equal to, it's a very big equal sign, 236 minus 187. And we'll solve this thing. So that is how you have replaced our bar with the original number. So this is how much? 9. 12 minus 8 is 4. That is 49. So that's our answer for the question, 49. Getting the fundamentals. So after some levels, you will get to know many ways to do these types of questions. Okay, this is just a first approach for the questions. If something is given in a bar format, you can easily solve them. You'll get to know their application more in some time. Let me take another question 4. Okay, try to find 2, 4, 5, 6 and the bar is over 5, 6 minus 2400. How much is the answer for this question? So you will say that the first number that is this one. How much is it? So you will say that it is 2400 minus 56. Remember, because the bar is over 2 digits, that is why we are writing 20. That is why we are writing 2 zeros. And then we have to subtract that number over which the bar is placed. So let me repeat this sentence. We have the number 2456 bar. If I ask you a question that on how many digits is the bar placed? So you will say that there are 2 digits over the bar is placed. So you will write 2 zeros behind 24. And then you subtract. Which number will you subtract? So you will subtract that number over which the bar is placed. The bar is placed over 56. So you will subtract 56 from it. And that will give us 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. So this is what? This is 2, 3, 4, 4. And then minus 2400. So our answer is what? Minus 56, I can say. So our answer is negative 56. Okay. Now let's do some small 2-digit calculations as for now. For example, you have to do this 15 minus 7 bar plus 3 bar plus 20. So you will say that, sir, this 15 will remain same minus 7 bar. Whenever you have bar over and there is nothing instead of this digit, so you will say that this is normally minus 7. Because minus 7 is what? 7 bar. Minus 7 is what? 7 bar. Minus 7 is what? 7 bar. 3 bar is what? Minus 3. 20 bar is what? Minus 20. If there is complete bar over the number, it is equal to minus the same number. You have done the homework related to this question. If you recall the last question in the homework. For example, if you have 145 and the bar is over complete, so it is what? Minus 145. Directly you will write this thing. In the same way, I can say my next number 3 bar. 3 bar is what? Minus 3 normally. So this is 15 plus 7. Okay, this is minus would be plus. So 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 minus 3 is 19. And 19 plus 20 is 39. So that's our answer. 39. Getting this? Okay. Let me do some more. Also, you have to do 1/4 bar. Be cautious. Minus 1/4 bar. Okay, something like this. So now you will see a difference. Let me do the first number as my rough work. So 1 and then bar is over only 4. So this is pronounced as 10 minus 4, 6. But the second number is 14 bar, means the bar is over 14. So this is equal to minus 14. And the reason behind this is same. Like you will say that, sir, this is 0 minus 14. That equal to minus 14 itself. So our answer would be what? This is 6 minus 14. And that will give us 20. So that is our answer for the question. Okay. Now, this is the level number 2, where we have discussed addition and subtraction of the bar and how you are going to apply the same fundamentals in level number 3. We'll go step by step, but for now, these are 6 questions. And if you have any query, comment in the comment box and we'll sort your query. For now, this is homework time. So the homework question. First question is solve 34 bar. Second question, 46 bar minus 14. Third question, 97 bar minus 97 bar. Okay. In the first one, the bar is over complete 97. And in the second number, the bar is only over 7. Fourth question, how much is 105? And the bar is only over 0.5. Fifth question, 1942 bar. How much is it? And then sixth question. 7 bar plus 3 bar minus 15 bar is how much? Okay, so these 6 questions are there. Do watch the videos again if you're not getting it in one go. After some investing of your time, you will get to know that how we are doing these things. And it is very important as a base. After this fundamental, you will calculate any digit number, either a subtraction or addition, on your fingertips without any carryover and nothing else. With the help of bar, it is very much faster. Okay, so we'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.